Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Channel Motor Shastra. So in this video we are going to check out the top 5 most popular electric scooter brands in India. So nowadays the price of petrol is going around 100 rupees per liter. Most of people are trying to get an electric scooter for their day-to-day ride. Another big factor which affects this list is the sales figure and the availability of the showroom and mainly the after sales service, which has played a big role in this list. So starting from number 5th, Revolt. So Revolt had successfully placed the electric motorcycle with a tagline of India's first AI-based motorcycle, which has become an instant hit between the new generation. Another big aspect is the feeling of riding a proper motorcycle when compared to electric scooty and the per month package which is offered by Revolt. So you don't have to pay in a single time, pay full price in one time, or you can have monthly packages from the Revolt, which makes it a good choice for the new customers. The problem with the Revolt is the available in only big cities, which makes it less accessible for small Indian cities. Revolt offers only two variants, RV300 and RV400. On number 4 comes the Ather Energy. Ather has become one of the top brands in India when it comes to electric scooters. The main reason is the quality of scooter they offer, which is really good when we compare it to any other scooter in the market. The Ather scooters are known for their premium design, good interference they offer through their mobile app, which allows you to check your battery and many more other features. Ather offers a lot of other smart features with their mobile app, which offers a good connectivity with the scooter. Ather is one of the first startup which started very early but not able to grab more customers because of less showroom availability and the price. Yes, the price is bit higher for electric scooter when we compare it to other scooters which are available in the market like the Okinawa. These scooters are more powerful than any other electric scooters in the market. On number 3 comes the Ampere electric scooters. Ampere Vehicles is a Coimbatore based electric vehicle manufacturer which has now tied up with the diversified engineering company Greaves Cotton. Ampere offers a range of electric scooters in India with 1 to 3 years warranty period and a strong after sales service network. With over 300 Greaves retail stores, which has made an advantage, and in over 5,000 aftermarket outlets in India. It has a total of 252 dealerships spread across 169 cities in India, which has played a big role in sales of Ampere vehicles. Ampere India offers a total of 7 variants which are designed according to the customer requirement in the big and small cities. On number 2 comes the Okinawa. Okinawa Autotech Private Limited is an Indian electric two-wheeler manufacturer that ventured into India two-wheeler market in 2015. With its manufacturing facility located in Rajasthan, the company currently has a product portfolio for products: the Ridge, Praise, Ridge Plus and iPraise. Okinawa had successfully placed its product in the market with lots of options within the different categories. Company has successfully covered around 20% of market share in 2020, which is very impressive. Another thing is the price, which is little bit less compared to other scooters in the market. On number 1 comes the Hero Electric. Hero Electric is India's largest electric two-wheeler company. Close to 1 lakh electric two-wheeler in India, the company has played a very important role in developing the EV market in the country. Hero has big advantage of wide outlets and a big brand name which is known to most of Indian customers. These are some points which have made Hero leader in this top 5 list with 30% market share. Hero is the most popular electric scooter maker in India. Thank you for watching this video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to Channel Motor Shastra. Always go with a passion. Enjoy your day.